पैसे लेके भाग जाना. Done bro, I like the idea. I will definitely do that. Love your confidence. Thank you. That I'm admitted? No, I'm fine. I'm not admitted. Are you coming in Big Boss? Oh my god, why is everybody asking me this question? अब मेरे पैसे मैं इतना भी ना करूँ. I love you so much. Love you too bro. Love you too bro. Where are you from? India, Mumbai? No, I live Mumbai. I am not from Mumbai. यार तो फिर ऐसे प्यारे प्यारे एडिट्स बनाओ ना, क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं बना पाई ऑब्वियसली फॉर लाइक ऑब्वियस रीजंस, पर तुम लोग बनाओ. अथर्व, क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए थे. दैट्स इट. थैंक्स शांति. 10 लाख तो 10 महीनों का करके नहीं वो 1 साल का तो हो जाएगा. 1 साल से ज़्यादा का हो जाएगा. 6 10 16. 1 साल से ज़्यादा का हो जाएगा आराम से. Excited to see you in Big Boss. अरे हे नूतन, व्हाट्स अप? I will edit your video Facebook में. ठीक है, और मुझे भेजना, टैग करना एटलीस्ट. रुको मुझे फिल्टर लगाने दो. I'm looking very bad. हाँ अब ठीक लग रही है. अब ठीक लग रही है. You're a good person. I like the way you present yourself. Thank you. बोला तो नूतन. What's up नूतन? I just said it. Why are you lying? Because I'm getting a laser done. At least आप betting आप तो promote नहीं कर रही. नहीं, I won't do that. Amity girl. Yeah. Lower middle class. Yeah. I got scholarship. She's happy and मैं bro कशिश लीगा ये बोलना मेरे को समझ रहा है. but I respect the decision. Yeah bro. I mean obviously एक इंसान को दुख पहुंचा मेरे decision से, but it was right for me. So yeah. पैसे खा गई भाई. तू बस पैसों के लिए मरती है. Are you planning any trip? No bro, no time soon. No, I'm not. काश तू चांद में सितारा होता. Oh God. आपके लिए एक नया स्पेशल एडिट आ रहा है. ठीक है, भेजो. No, Tavishi, laser is definitely worth it for different reasons. Number 1, कि बाल आते हैं दोबारा, no doubt, but बहुत कम आते हैं और thickness कम हो जाती है. दूसरा, it is painless. पेनलेस तो नहीं बोलूँगी, पेन फ्री नहीं है, थोड़ा पेन होता है, but it is so much better as compared to waxing. अभी तक मैं रो रही होती वैक्सिंग में, but it doesn't hurt so much and no undergrowth और काफ़ी टाइम तक चलता है. So yeah, laser is definitely worth it. Thanks Sidhu. No problem. You did well. It was your decision. It was not even, you were not even his priority. Thanks Yashita. अपना स्पेशल हम बहुत entertain किया है. People see you bad side and not seeing that you have given great content. Yes, I have. Hey, back here. Hi Ritika, what's up? Thanks guys. So much of good comments. सेल्फिश होने की भी हद होती है. क्या है वो हद बताओ मुझे. Are you friends with Tanika? Yes. This girl once will leave her parents because of money. I got money from my parents, you idiot. Where have you come for treatment? मैं अभी क्लिनिक का नाम नहीं दूंगी, वो फ्री में प्रमोशन हो जाएगा ना. आई चार्ज मनी फॉर दैट. Yeah, that one hurt. आयांशी मुझे पता है. A reel where I teach you to accessorize. I think I will have to watch that reel first because I don't know how to accessorize. Yes, please call me Kashish. I love it. Yes, Palak, thank you. नहीं आरी शिखा नहीं, मैंने बहुत कुछ सोचा एंड मुझे नहीं लगता कि जो तुम कह रही हो वो सही है फॉर मेनी मेनी रीजंस, बट अभी मैं दोबारा उनको नहीं डिस्कस करना चाहती. बट या थैंक्स कशिश कपूर. थैंक्स नूतन. How goes your family feeling now? Not good, not good, not good. Apparently, the hate is not limited to me. People have now discovered my brother's ID, my father's ID, my mom's ID, and they've started texting my dad, my mom, my brother. Hate comments, of course. And Papa ka mere BP बढ़ गया था आज. His BP shot today. And he was like, no, you have to do something, apologize or what are you going to do further. He was just not feeling well. His PP shot up. So no, not doing very well. But I'm doing good. Lost guy journey. Not everybody feels that way. One relationship advice you will give. You know, when you are with the right partner, you will just know it. Like, you won't have questions. If you ever have questions, does he really love me? Then he doesn't. You know, when it's certain, there are no questions like these. Thanks, Shivanya. Simping you with Josh. Please don't. I've outgrown all of that. Don't ask me, big boss, God, don't ask me that. काम ऐसा ना करो ना कि फैमिली तक बात जाए. सही बात है, मेरी गलती है. थैंक्स शिखा, थैंक यू. द रियूनियन पार्टी बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया. ठीक था. वेकेशन पे गई कि नहीं अभी तक? यार पैसे नहीं मिले. टीना हियर, पैसे नहीं मिले अभी तक, नहीं मिले तो नहीं जा पाई. तुम भेज दो, शायद तब चली जाओ. मेसू bro, why did you do? I already have explained everything. I'm not doing that again. Akriti said you like that you're from a lower middle. Nahi bhai, I'm very rich. Anushka, go check out my YouTube and my vlogs where I am, you know, that vlog like where I go home. Check it out. You will get to know that I am actually Ambani level rich. And she is right. I got extremely scared कि मैं पाऊंगी. I mean, बिना कनेक्शन के, बिना फ्रेंडशिप के, बिना मेकर बायस के, खुद के दम पे मैं फिनाले पहुंच गई और वो भी खुद के दम पे पहुंच गया. बट यू आर राइट, हम डर गए होंगे. मैं डर गई थी. That is possible. Very right. Are you in contact with Killian group? No. Love you, Dee. Thank you. Love you so much. Thank you. Why does everybody keep on asking my skincare secret? Priyanshi, do you really think my skin is that good? Thanks, first of all, if you do. And my only skincare secret is lots and lots and lots of water. Lots of water, and I mean it. लंच में क्या खाया? पक्का बताऊं? So मैं आज लेज़र के लिए आई थी तो मेरी मेट तो आ नहीं पाई, तो मैंने खाया है एवोकाडो टोस्ट. She's doing it for purpose. Stop giving her attention, to be honest. Yeah, Diksha, it's your wish. Don't give me attention. Obviously, I'm live on purpose. I mean, सही बात है. फेब प्राइवेट, सही कह रहे हो तुम. Thanks, Raisha. Thanks, Akansha. Do you know karma comes back, sis? Cherry Blossom, you do realize karma comes back to everybody. Like the way you're abusing me right now, somebody will do the same to you. So when you point one finger at me, the four points out at you. You're amazing and we love you. Thank you. Say my name, Chavi. Hi, Chavi. और लाइव के और चल ठीक है, मैं इसमें कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं. एक सेकेंड ना, एटलीस्ट टेल मी आई एम लाइव. चलो एक सेकेंड. चलो guys, now I have to go and get my upper body lasered, so I will see you all later, okay?